Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube app keeps crashing on iPhone or any Android phone. If you are using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that your YouTube app is keeps crashing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app. Here, go to General, go to Software Update, and you have to make sure that your software hasn't any pending software update. If you find this, try to update your software. Once you update your software, go back, scroll down in Control Center, and make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can go ahead to your settings app and go to General, go to VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back, open your App Store, go for search and search for YouTube, and you have to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. There is no any pending update for your YouTube app. If you find this, try to update your app. So after updating, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes really black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way. You have to simply open your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and here you just have to look for YouTube app, and here you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. But before offloading or deleting, you can try a simple trick. You have to go back, open your browser, and here you have to go for search and search for down detector. Just search for down detector, and you just have to make sure you have to allow the applications sell a service for your down detector or your website. Open the first website here, tap on the search option in the top right, and here just search for YouTube, and you just have to check if your YouTube app is down or not. If you see that there's any fluctuation in your YouTube app, so it might be that it's not down now. So you can easily use your YouTube app by offloading your app, or if you see that your YouTube app is still down, so you just have to wait for almost up to 1 hour, 2 hour, it might be 24 hours. So you just have to wait for that, and then you can fix this issue. But if it's not down, you have to tap on the offload app, or you can also try to delete apps. So in case of offloading or deleting, you have to retry or reinstall the app, and after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.